Sikaku was established in 1985. It is a company that integrates the design, production, sale and service of professional public broadcasting equipment, fire alarm equipment, and audio equipment. MATRIX system developed and produced by Sikaku, combining hardware and software. The system is dedicated music, paging, discussion, and Zoom management solutions for commercial audio applications. Easy to use and to implement. Offers state-of-the-art signal processing and a cost-effective package. Input, output. MATRIX-A8 offers large choice of input-output options to cover most applications. 8 analog in-out, 4 digital in-out, 8 digital in-out via Dante card. Multiple unit scalability. The system includes host MATRIX-A8 RPM 200 paging station, RVC 1000 volume controller, RVE 200 volume controller with audio out, RIO 200 input-output remote input and output module, RVC 100D touchscreen volume controller and RD100EX remote port expander. Software control. MATRIX system can be programmed by the PC editor software available for the device. It works with Windows 7 and above. Input DSP channel, gate, comp, EQ, etc. for input channel can be signed. MATRIX. This part is used to 20 inputs to 20 outputs through graphical representation as a metric. Output DSP channel, comp, EQ, etc. for output channel can be signed. Docker. Attenuate one or several channels when priority signals are activated. May apply an automatic speech for conference or priority messages. FBC. Automatically detects the frequencies involved and attenuates them instantly using a series of selective filters. Auto mixer. Automatically reduce microphone level when not used. Typically used to mix panel discussions on television talk shows and at conferences and seminars. Sieve, load, copy. Manage the backup parameters of MATRIX-A8. Data can be stored in MATRIX-A8 international memory either directly in the PC as presets. System. A range of system settings can be made, such as system lock, factory restore, etc. MATRIX-A8 offers large choice of input-output options, up to 192 input-output, cover most of applications. GIM. Volume in 4 zones can be controlled from the lobby by remote RVC 1000. Material store. Simple installation with ambience control. 4 zone volumes are individually controlled from the office or the counter with stereo or mono signals. Mall. Control up to 12 independent zones with a single MATRIX-A8. Feed 8 analog inputs of 70-100V amplifiers. Transport terminal. Large installation through LAN control. Every gate can broadcast its local message with individual volume control in 4 or more different zones. Hotel. Simple multi-audio service and distribution. 6 zones, including 8 audio signal paths, are individually processed by MATRIX-A8. Hotel room. Personal audio service. Hotel guests can plug MP3 cell phone into RIO 200 and control sound volume with RVC 1000 as well as TV. Its main room, bathroom, and restroom. Restaurant. Bar. Easy and quick volume control for operators. 4 analog outputs are used for 4 separate zones with volume controlled from the lobby. Please enter www.sikaku.hk to access our company website for more information.